SQL View. Learn how to create view, how to alter view, what is relationship of view and tables, delete views. Hi, this is Samir sir, solution architect and IT trainers having 37 plus years of experience in IT certification training, software and hardware solutions. Let's learn SQL View. Create view and selecting data from view. Now, what is view? View is a store query expressions. Although view behaves like a table, it does not store any data. One can apply vertical filtering, that is by limiting selected columns that view returns. We can also apply horizontal filtering, that is by returning only selected rows with some conditions. So let's understand view and create view. Okay, so our first command is use test data. Okay, we are in test data only, there is no issue, but just for our regular case I am just expressing. Now I want to create a view, so I'll apply command create. What I want to create? I want to create view, so I'll say create view. Now let us open square bracket, v underscore, let's say I want to create a view for past students. So this is a view name s. So what I want to do is select roll number. Let me write down s, select roll number, comma, first name, comma, last name, comma, total mark, comma, percentage, comma, status, from mark, where status is equal to single quote pass. So let me express you first. I want to create a view named v underscore past students, as I want to select following row. So vertical filtering, this will be row, roll number, first name, last name, total, percentage and status. And for horizontal filtering, I'm using condition where status is equal to pass. Let me select this query and execute it. It says command completed successfully, completion time is this day. So let me expand the test data. I have created a view, so the table doesn't work out. But if I expand the view, and if I don't want to explain, I want to view and right click and I'll say refresh. So now here it has shown me DBO full stop v underscore pass dot students. So this has created one view. Let me see what is there. So like I used to say select star from mark, now I can say select star from v underscore pass underscore student. Okay, let me select this and execute it. It has given me all the data just like what it used to give me from mark table. This is one view. You can also apply horizontal filtering on the view also. So I can also see this was our view. I can say select star from v underscore pass underscore student, where let's say I want to apply some condition on this view, where percentage is greater than 85. Let's assume PER. Okay, where percentage is greater than 45. So instead of 8 rows, now it is giving me only 1 row. Let's reduce percentage to make it to 75. Let us see how many results it is showing you. So now it has given me the 3 results. So this is way how you can create the view. I hope you have got it. Now query number 147 is to alter and delete view. So query number 146 is to alter view and drop view. Now here it is showing me roll number, first name, last name, total mark, percentage and grade. Again, let me select. It has given me roll number, first name, last name, total mark, percentage and status, but grade is not there. So let's say I want to alter the view by adding one grade into that. So I'll say alter view. What view I want to alter? V underscore pass underscore student. This is the view I want to alter. What is the condition? Let me copy the whole condition again. And now after status I want grade also, so I'll say grade also. Okay, let me select this query. Yes, let me select the query and execute it. It's a command completed successfully. Fine, let me show you. Select star from v underscore pass underscore student. Okay, previously it was not showing me the grade. Now the grade part is also included with this view. Now if you want to delete the view, so command is what? We have done the drop command. So I'll say drop view v underscore pass underscore student. Let me execute this query. Execute. It's a command completed successfully, but still this pass b underscore pass dot student view is there. Right click on database and click on refresh. Expand the test data view, and now this view has been dropped or deleted. Okay, fine. Now we have created the view, we have altered the view and deleted and dropped the view also. So this is what you have learned.